time!
Oh, great! It's Minute Maid time! Here's what we're going to make today. A crazy peg bug. So, I better make it snappy. And to make one of these, you will need a pair of scissors, a wooden peg, 4 pipe cleaners, some felt tip pens, some white stickers, and that's it. But do you think you can make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, let's find out. I'm going to have to be very quick, but don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end.
Start the clock!
Let's go! Get the peg and your felt tip pens and start colouring in stripes. Now, you can use whatever colours you like, but I'm going to use black and orange. There we go, there's the black done. Let's do the orange. There we go. Do the other side as well. There. That's looking very good. Now let's get 3 of the pipe cleaners, and if we hold them together and just feed them in like this, we can bend them into shape to make legs.
Halfway!
There are all the legs bent into shape. Now let's get the other pipe cleaner and we'll wind it around this end to make the antennae. There we go, fantastic. And now we just need to add some eyes with these white stickers. There we go, there's 1 white sticker. And there's the other one, and we can add black dots on as well. There! I did it! Only just! And if you've got more than a minute, you can make all sorts of crazy peg bugs.
How about a purple and yellow one with purple pipe cleaners for legs? Or a black and gold stripy peg bug with black pipe cleaner legs.
Crazy peg bugs made in a minute. Why don't you try and make one? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Add stripes to the peg with felt tip pens. Put the pipe cleaners into the peg to make legs. Twist a pipe cleaner at the front to make antennae. Add white stickers for eyes. And draw a face with a black pen to finish off your crazy peg bug.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute?